Hello everyone, it's your maths class and today we learn about number system. Previously you all have studied up to 4-digit number. If I am writing a number, then this is a 4-digit number, and if you want to represent this number on place value chart, then how will you represent? First of all, we have to draw place value chart. Now for 4-digit, what you have to do? There are 4 places. This is 1's place, 10's place, 100 place and 1000 place. Now on 1's place there is 4, so we write here 4. On 10's place 0 is there, on 100 place 1, and on 1000's place 2 is there. So this is how we represent any number on place value chart. Now if I want to write the number name of this number, then how will I write this? 2 is on 1000 place, so 2000. 1 is on 100 place, so 100. 0 is on 10's place and 4 is on 1's place, so 4. So this is the number name of this number. Another example. This is also a 4-digit number, and how we represent this on place value chart? First of all, we have to draw place value chart for 4-digit. There are 4 places: 1s, 10s, 100 and 1000. On 1's place 1 is there, so we write here 1. On 10's place 4 is there. On 100 place 3 is there, and on 1000 place 1 is there. And what is the number name of this number? 1 is on 1000 position, so 1000. 3 is on 100 position, so 300. 4 is on 10's position and 1 is on 1's position, so 41. So this is the number name of this number. Now if I am writing another number, you all know this is the smallest 4-digit number. This is the smallest 4-digit number. And what is the largest 4-digit number, or we can say the greatest 4-digit number? 9, 9, 9 and 9. This is your greatest 4-digit number. Now how I can say this is my greatest 4-digit number? So students, you all have studied in your previous classes that the greatest 1-digit number is your 9. The greatest 2-digit number is 99. Greatest 3-digit number is 999, 999. And the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. So in this way, you can able to find any greatest number of so many digits. Like if I want to find greatest number of 6 digits, then what is the greatest number? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. There are 6 digits, and this is the greatest 6-digit number. Okay students, so this is your greatest 4-digit number. Now up to here you all have studied. Next in this chapter we are going to study 5-digit, 6-digit and 7-digit numbers. Now we learn about 5-digit numbers. Now if I am writing a number, this is a 5-digit number, and if I want to represent this number on place value chart, then how will I represent it? First of all, we have to draw place value chart for 5 digits. Now there are 5 places: 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is your 1's place, this is 10's place, 100 place, 1000 place and 10,000 place. This is my 10,000 place. The 5th place from the right side is your 10,000 place. Okay. Now on 1's place 0 is there, on 10's place 4 is there, on 100 place 3 is there, on 1000 place 2 is there, and on 10,000 place 1 is there. So in this way we represent any 5-digit number on place value chart. Now, if I want to write the number name of this number, then how will I write it? 1 is on the 10,000 place and 2 is on the 1000 place. So, for this one, 10,000 is there. And for this 2,000 is there. So 10,000 plus 2,000, this will make 12,000. Now next, 3 is on my 100 place, so 300. 4 is on tens place and 0 is on ones place, so 40. So this is the number name of this number. Another example, if I am writing, this is also a 5-digit number. Now how will I represent it on place value chart? First of all, we have to draw place value chart for 5-digit numbers. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place, this is my 1000 place, and this is my 10,000 place. Okay? Now 1 is on the ones place, so I write here 1. 2 is on my tens place, so 2. 1 is on my 100 place, so 1. 0 is on my 1000 place, so 0, and 4 is on my 10,000 place, so I will write here 4. Now what's the number name of this number? 4 is on 10,000 place and 0 is on 1000 place, so 40,000. One is on 100 place, so 100. 2 is on 10 place and 1 is on ones place, so 21. So this is the number name of this number. Now if I am writing another number, this is also 5-digit number and this is my smallest 5-digit number. So what's the greatest 5-digit number? Greatest 5-digit number is this. This is my greatest 5-digit number. Now let's have a view of few 5-digit numbers. This is the smallest 5-digit number. And what's the number name of this number? 10,000. Next, what's the number name for this? 10,001. Next number, this is your 10,002. And in this way, you can write other numbers in the number form. Now, if I am writing this, now what is this? This is 10,027. Next, this is also a 5-digit number, and what is this? This is 11,000. Now in this way, you are able to write the number name of any 5-digit number. Okay students, so next is your 6-digit number. So if I am writing a 6-digit number, this is a 6-digit number. Now, how I will represent it on place value chart? So we have to draw place value chart for 6-digit number. This is one's position, this is tens position, this is my 100 position, this is my 1000 position, next is 10,000 position, and this place is lakh position. So what is the lakh position? The sixth position from the right side is your lakh position, or we can say lakh place. Okay students, so this is my lakh place, this sixth position from the right side. Okay, now how I will represent these numbers on this place value chart? 2 is on ones position, so 2 is there. 0 is on tens position, so 0 I will write here. 4 is on my 100 position, so 4. 1 is on my 1000 position, so 1. Again 1 is on my 10,000 position, so 1. And 2 is on my lakh position, so 2. Now in this way we represent any 6-digit number on place value chart. Now if I want to write the number name of this number, then how I will represent or how I will write it? So 2 is on lakh position, so 2 lakh. Next 1 is on 10,000 position and 1 is on 1000 position, so 11,000. Next 4 is on 100 position, so 400. 0 is on tens position and 2 is on ones position, so 2. So the number name of this number is 2,11,402. Okay students, now 7-digit number. Now if I am writing a 7-digit number, 4, 6, 2, 8, 0, 1 and 3. This is a 7-digit number. Now if I want to represent this number on place value chart, then how I will represent it? First we have to draw the place value chart of 7 digits. So draw it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now what are the places? This is my ones place. Next is my tens place. This is my 100 place. This is my 1000 place. This is 10,000 place. Next lakhs place, and next 10 lakh place. This 7th place from the right side is your 10 lakh place. Okay. Now how I write these numbers on this place value chart? So look, 3 is on my ones place, so 3 I will write here. 1 is on my tens place, so I will write here 1. 0 is on my 100 place, so 0. 8 is on my 1000 place, so 8. Now 2 is on my 10,000 place, so 2. 6 is on my lakh place, 6. And last 4 is on my 10 lakh place, so 4. Now if I want to write the number name of this number, then what's the number name? 4 is on 10 lakh place, so 40 lakh. 4 is on 10 lakh place, so 40 lakh. Plus 6 is on lakh place, so 6 lakh. Now what will this make? 46 lakh. Next 2 is on 10,000 place and 8 is on 1000 place, so 28. 28,000. Next 0 is on 100 place, 1 is on tens place and 3 is on ones place, so 30. So what's the number name? 46,28,030. 46,28,030. Okay students, so this is the 7-digit number. Next topic is your Indian number system. Indian number system. This system is also known as Hindu-Arabic system for numeration. In this system, there is a place value chart that you have to learn. And what is that? Let's draw that chart. This is my ones place, symbol is O. This is tens place, symbol is T. Next, 100 place, symbol is H. Next, 1000 place, symbol is PH. Next, 10,000 place, symbol is TTH. Next, lakh space, symbol is L. And last, 10 lakh place, symbol is TL. Now these are the 7 places, and in this system these 7 places are grouped in 3 periods. And what are these periods? First 3 places are grouped as ones period. These 3, ones, tens and 100, these 3 places are grouped as ones period. Next, these 2 places, your 1000 place and 10,000 place, these 2 places are grouped as thousands period. And the last 2, lakh and 10 lakh, these 2 places are grouped as lakhs period. Now there are 7 places, so these are the places, and there are 3 periods in this system: ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. These are your periods. Okay, now we learn or we understand that how to represent any number in Indian number system. So let us take a number. This is your 7-digit number. Now in this system there are 2 points, that how to represent any number using comma and how to write a number name of any number. First we are going to learn how to represent any number using commas. So this is my 7-digit number. Now how I represent this number on this place value chart? So listen, 1 is on my ones place, so I write here 1. 0 is on my tens place, so 0. 2 is on my 100 place, 2. 6 is on my thousands place, so 6 I write here. 1 is on my 10,000 place, 1. And 3 and 4 is on my lakh and 10 lakh place. So I write this number as this in this place value chart. Now I will put comma in this. So always remember, commas are put according to their periods. These 3 numbers are in first period, or we can say ones period. So put comma after these 3 numbers. Next, there are 2 numbers in thousands period. So put comma after these 2 numbers, and next 2 numbers in lakhs period. So these 2 numbers are there. So how we can write this number using comma? 4316,201. In this way we can write any number according to Indian number system using commas. Next, how we can write a number name of any number in this Indian number system. So listen, 4 is on my 10 lakh place and 3 is on my lakh place. So this makes 43 lakh. 1 is on my 10,000 place, 6 is on my 1,000 place. So 16. 16,000. 2 is on my 100 place, so 200. 1 is on my 1's place, so 201. So this is the number name of this number according to Indian number system. So in this way you can represent any number in Indian number system. Next topic is your international number system. International number system. Now in this system there are 2 points that we have to remember. First point is that in this system 1 lakh is also written as 100,000. 1 lakh is also written as 100,000. And the next point is 10 lakh is written as 1 million. 10 lakh, we can write this as 1 million. These 2 points that you have to remember. Now, in this system also there is a place value chart. So let's draw that chart. This is my 1's place. 1's place. Next, 10's place. Next, 100 place. Symbol is H. Next, 1,000 place. Symbol is TH. Next, 10,000 place. Symbol is TTH. Next, lakh place. But there is a point that lakh or 1 lakh is written as 100,000. So this column in this system you have to write 100,000. So what's the symbol? 100,000. Next, this is the column for 10 lakh, and in this system 10 lakh is represented as 1 million. So this is the column for 1 million. And the symbol is M. Next column is your 10 million. And the symbol is TM, and so on. In this way, these are the places in this number system. Now we have to draw the periods in this system. These places are combined or grouped to form 3 periods. How these 3 places are combined to form 1's place or 1's period. Next, these three places are combined to form 1,000's period. And if I can draw another place here, 100 million. then these three places are combined to form another period, that is your million. So these 9 places are grouped to form 3 periods: ones period, thousands period, and millions period. Now there is a question arises that how you can represent any number in this international number system using commas, or how you are able to write a number name of any number. So take an example. If I am writing a number, this is my 6-digit number, and if I want to represent this number in comma form using international number system, then how I will represent it? First of all, we have to represent this number on place value chart. So how do I represent? 5 is on my ones place, so 5 I write here. 6 is on my tens place, so I write here 6. 8 is on my 100 place, so 8. 1 is on my thousands place, 1. 7 on 10,000, and 4 is on 100,000 place. So in this way I can represent this number on this place value chart. Now how to put comma in this number? So always remember, you have to put commas according to their periods. First period is contained in these 3 places, and that is ones period. So put comma after these 3 numbers. Next is your these 3 places, and the next period is your thousand place. So these 3 numbers are there. If there is another number, I can say 1 here. So you have to put 1 is on 1 million place. Then how to put comma? These 3 places contain these 3 numbers, and after this period you have to put comma. So put comma here. Okay, students. So what is the comma form of this number? In this way, we can represent any number in comma form in international number system. Now, if I want to write the number name of this number according to this system, then what is the number name? 1 is on the 1 million place, so 1 million. Now 4 is on the 100,000 place, 7 is on my 10,000 place, and 1 is on the 1,000 place. So 471. 471,000. 471,000. 8 is on my 100 place, so 800. 6 is on my tens place, and 5 is on my ones place, so 65. So this is the number name of this number. Okay, students. Now let us take another number. 1636506. This is a 7-digit number. Okay. Now if I want to write this number in comma form using Indian number system and international number system. Now in Indian number system, how I write this number? 1636506. Now you all know that in Indian number system you have to put comma after 3 digits. First comma is after 3 digits, and after this comma you have to put commas after every 2 digits. 1, 2, comma. So in this way you have to write this number in comma system. In international number system, how I can write this number? So you have to put comma after every 3 places. or we can say after every 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, you have to put comma here. 1, 2, 3, again comma. So this is the representation of a number using comma in international number system, and this is the representation of a number using comma in Indian number system. Okay, students.